And finally this evening, fresh from representing Jamaica's Sunshine Girls in the three-test series lost to Australia earlier this month, Roxanna Mclean has signed a contract to ply her trade in the Malaysian Netball Super League this season. The former Denby High standout, who made her national senior team debut in 2023 as a 19-year-old against England Roses, will be representing the Melaka Mystic. The 22-year-old Mclean, who plays both the goalkeeper and goal defense positions, will be the first Jamaican to play in the Malaysian Netball Super League. Mclean also served as a captain of the Jamaican under-21 team to last year's Netball World Youth Cup in Gibraltar.